Hello, Jan, and happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, you special somebody. Today, I am the garden fairy, I suppose, and I have gathered a collection of flowers that our evolving Enneagram community feels like individually that relate to you. And I want to share this from Mr. Rogers. People will allow you to share their inner garden. What better of a gift than to have people share your inner garden? And I feel like the intimacy with which you've let us know you and love you, to see, to bear witness to the beauty and the kindness and the generosity, and the, I don't know, do-goodedness and the the consciousness, like the thoughtfulness that is you. I am personally very grateful to have experienced that. And I picked tulips for you. Tulips are some of my absolute favorite flowers in the world. They're extra special. And I wanted you to know that you are extra special to me, and to the rest of this motley crew of dancing, prancing, poetry, citing flowers. Hit it, folks.
Happy birthday, Jan, my wonderful, generous, gentle friend. I have thought of these flowers akin to you and your friendship because these are my welcoming flowers to spring. And that reminds me when you and I both attended a retreat at Unity Village, and you came up to me and welcomed me and were so kind, and I will never forget that. So, along with these flowers that welcome spring, I have a poem called Strength of Gentleness. The most marvelous strength known today is gentleness flowing along life's pathway. In the spirit of gentleness, I find the sweetness of tranquility of mind, sweet gentleness in the strength of might that manifests in seeking to do what's right, produced in the rich garden of the heart. Tranquil gentleness to us God will impart. Gentleness breaks up the heart's cold, hard ground. In the soft, still breeze, gentleness is found. Gentleness pushes back sorrow and pain, helping one trace the rainbow through falling rain. Human strength is on display today in gentleness of spirit along the way. A spirit of gentleness may we don, knowing strength is not found in human brawn. O Lord, in your likeness may we now grow. May gentleness in us be shown here below. Strength of gentleness be on display powerfully in our lives day after day. Jan, we are wishing you the happiest of birthdays. Love you.
Happy birthday, Jan! We love you, and we're so glad to be a part of your celebration. Bodhi says hi, too. So we have this brand new puppy, and we don't know for sure what kind of flowers we would have gotten if we didn't have him brand new, but these are the flowers that are growing in our yard right now. And it turns out they're perfect. And John's going to tell you about some of them.
Well, daffodils definitely stood out for me as an appropriate flower for you because they're the first flowers of spring and they represent, to me anyway, sunshine and the fullness of life and new beginnings, which I think is so reflective of the way you come at life uh, and add to it for us.
And the forsythia, I'm going to turn around so you can see them a little bit better. The forsythia always remind me of sunshine, of the return of the sun, of everything that is warm and welcoming and reassuring in this world. And your friendship offers that to my heart and to our community. And we love you very much. We hope you're having a fabulous birthday, Jan.
And we're a little tired.
We can't wait for you to meet him. Love you. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
For Jan, the dandelion. The seed begins its life as a tender puff of cotton, so like the moon, inviting wishers to cast their wishes with a mighty blow, scattering seeds like stars to travel for miles with the peals of joy upon the wind. The bloom unfurls each morn, the color of the sun, offering the first nectar of spring to pollinating bees. The roots burrow as deep as 10 feet, tenaciously hanging on as they should, with such a fearsome name, dentalion, lion's teeth, for the jagged cut-out leaves. Each part edible, medicinal, useful, so much so they made their way to the States on the Mayflower. This humble, joyful, nurturing, deep, fierce, and almost excessive flower has so much to offer, if only allowed.